Good morning, kids. I hope you all are doing well. So, this is your English lecture, and in today's lecture, we will be continuing our last topic, that is singular and plural noun. Previously, we have done two parts of this chapter. In the first part, we have discussed about the singular noun and plural noun, and in the second part, we have discussed about how to change singular noun into plural noun, where we have done 5 cases. I hope you are clear with the previous part. In today's part, that is the third part, we will discuss some exceptions of the specific cases which we have discussed in the previous part. So these were the specific cases which we have discussed. In this video, I just want to add something more about it, that are the exceptions which are mentioned here with green pen. So just have a look into it. In the first case we add es to make it in plural form when we have the words ending with these letters. But there are some exceptions also where we only use s. So the examples are piano, pianos, radio, radios. What is this exception? The word ending with o. Okay. In the second case, we have discussed that the word ending with f or fe, we change it by adding ves to it. But there is also exception. The word ending with f but the previous letter is a vowel. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. When you have vowel before f or ef, you will not add ves. You'll just add s to it. For example, roof, roofs. Okay, chief, chiefs. So this is the second exception. Third exception is, in this case we have read the word ending with y. What we will do to change it into the plural form? We will cut the y and ies. This was the case. What is the exception here now? The word ending with y but the previous is a vowel. Then we will not do this. What we will do? We will just add s to it. For example, tray. Tray, it is ending with y but the previous letter is a, that is a vowel. So we will not do this case but just add s to it. So examples are tray, trays, key, keys. So these are the 3 exceptions that you need to remind. This is all for this chapter. This chapter is over now. Now please do the worksheet regarding this. Thank you so much.